So hello guys, today I am giving the question answers on the introduction to the parliament system. So here these are all the points to remember. Okay, these are all points to remember. फिर अभी हम बढ़ते हैं क्वेश्चन आंसर्स की तरफ. तो ये है ऑब्जेक्टिव्स. सो चूज द करेक्ट अल्टरनेटिव एंड राइट द कंप्लीट स्टेटमेंट. First two are textual. Towards here down, the Indian adopted a system of government. The members of the Lok Sabha and directly elected by the president. Then here niche, these are all the answers. State the whether the true or false. If false, explain with the reason. In an election, the majority party form the government. Then the English constitution is written in a written constitution. Then the functions of the legislature is to make the law. Afterwards, here functions of the judiciary is important law. And government has adopted the parliament system of government. The parliament system is considered to be the responsible system of government. ये क्वेश्चंस दिए गए, इसके आंसर्स ये देखो. With the reasons are there. Write the answer carefully. Afterwards, here explain in the following statement with the reason is there. India has adopted the parliamentary system of the government. So इसका आंसर ये देखो. टेक्सचुअल क्वेश्चन है. 4 पॉइंट्स में आपको डिवाइड करके दिया है, जिससे आपका इजीली रन हो जाएगा. फिर नेक्स्ट इज द पार्लियामेंट इज कंसिडर्ड टू बी द सुप्रीम बॉडी. तो इसका देखो. आफ्टरवर्ड्स इसका discussions and deliberations are important in a parliament system of government. Next, either concept of the coalition government is a feature of the parliament system. इसका आंसर देखो. Do as directed may complete the web diagram. Main branches of the government. So executive, legislature and judiciary. Next is the Indian parliamentary system is an elaborate system of government. इसका आंसर नीचे ये देखो. Complete the information in the following table. Named of the institution. So legislature, so functions are make to laws. Executive implements the laws and judiciary provide the justice. Government system is types of government system, parliamentary and presidential. So parliamentary in India and presidential in USA. Afterwards, here next is in parliamentary system, the executives depend upon the confidence of the legislature in them. So these are the 2 points, and here the fourth is complete the web diagram. Now this sixth question remaining are there in upwards. I will show you. This is the remaining sentence. No confidence motion against the executive. Next is what answer in brief. What is a responsible government? इसका आंसर देख लो. The prime ministers and his council of ministers are responsible वगैरह वो वाला आंसर. Next is the enumerate the characteristics of presidential system of government. इसका आंसर देख लो. Afterwards, what is the presidential system of government? So in presidential system of government, the president is executive and is the independent of the legislature. Head of the state, directly elected by the people. Remaining answer is here. The 3 independent organs, namely the executive, legislature, judiciary, work together in a harmony, coordination. The United States of America has adopted a presidential system of government. Next is differentiate between the parliamentary and presidential system of government. So there are the 4 points. Next, what is your opinion? So why is the role of opposition party is important? Write your own opinion. So why? Because to keep check and to act as a pressure group. Okay, they mobilize the government and they share the different views in the parliament and criticize the government for its failure or wrong policies. ठीक है? Afterwards, in India we have the prime minister, but why is there no prime minister in the United States of America? Because they adopted the presidential system of government. So in this system of government, only the executives are there, legislature as the head of the state. So there are not be a president in US, prime minister in USA. Afterwards, this is assignments. So after learning everything of this lesson, you have to solve this assignment. Question number 1 carry 4 marks. Question number 2 carry 4 marks. Question number 3 carry 2 marks. Question number 4 carry 4 marks. And question number 3 B carry 6 marks. ठीक है? So I will show you once. This is a once assignment. So you can take a screenshot of it and practice. If this video is helpful for you, please like, share, subscribe. Don't forget to subscribe and to click on the bell icon. Thank you.